Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Dexscreener to find 100x meme coins. So we're going to cover how to use the filters, how to find new pairs, and then look at the trending ads, and a few things you want to check for what's a good one. Things like volume, orders, all their socials, and the Telegram, and also how to use filters and how to sort and things like that. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to do it real quick, and I'm just going to show you how to use Dexscreener to find 100x meme coins. So 100x meme coin is something that goes from 50,000 to 5 million. That's 100x. Is it possible? Yes, this happens quite a lot. So the goal is just to find these. How you trade them is something else. That's I'll cover that in another video. But okay, so we're at Dexscreener. So you go to Dexscreener, and then what I do is I look for new pairs. The new pairs are usually the ones that you want to get into because they're fresh. Everyone's excited about them, and that's when a lot of the volume comes in, and that's where you're going to get the best gains. So I click on new pairs, and then I go for newest. So that's going to show me like the absolutely newest ones. As you can see, the age, this one is just launched. So I also want to click on the chain. You can look on Base, you can look on Polygon. Ton is one that's being talked about. These tend to be kind of like lower volume, but Base is another one. Ethereum, BSC obviously, but Solana has been really hot lately, and there's a lot of action and volume here. So we go to newest, and then we go to age, sort by age. 18 seconds, and these are the newest, and I usually just check to see what the filters are. So the filters here, actually there's no filters. This is going to show me everything, it doesn't matter what. So the first thing, if you look in this result set, you want to see the volume. So typically you want to see like a lot of volume. The more volume the better, and you know, like 145k in 9 minutes, that looks good. And then 208k, these two look good. Plus they have the logo on there. You want to make sure they have the logo. So let's just look at these two examples. Pop Dogs, so I just right click and then I'll open it in a new tab. Oh shit, that's a new window, didn't want to do that. So let's look at Pop Dog in a new tab. And let's also look at this Thuggy in a new tab. So the dog meta is big with all the stuff around Billy. Billy has just like been going crazy. That launched like 3 days ago, I guess. But so anyway, we're here. So let's look at the 1 minute chart. And then, so we're at 128k market cap, and we got 153,000 volume. So this could be okay. So the next thing I would look at, okay, Twitter, they have the Dexscreener updated. These are all good signs. This is, oh, CTO, sometimes these are really good, yeah. If it's run right, if it's run by some cabal, and they have lots of, you know, a good coordinated team. So that's okay. Not a lot of tweets, but the other thing I want to look at is the Telegram. This is really important. So I'm going to view it in Telegram, open in desktop, and I'll tell you why. Because in desktop, you can get access to the video chat. So there's 63 in the video chat, and there's 195 members. Those numbers are pretty good. Those numbers are pretty good. You want to see like at least 50 in the video chat and like 200-300. And the big ones kind of like the membership starts growing up to 500, 1,000, blah, 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 blah. And it gets really big. Those can go to like, you know, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. So that's another thing you want to check. So already this is okay. Now, the other thing is like right now, what's the temperature of the season, like the cycle? There's a thing, sell in May and go away. So right now, maybe it's kind of late in the season. So it's getting trickier, it's getting harder, but there are senders every day. So I don't want to discourage you, but it's just something to keep in the back of your mind. So anyway, there's that technique, basically just using the screener for new pairs, and you see the fresh ones. And then again, we do a quick volume check. We want to get the ones that are like, you know, 100K, 200K. Have these PFP updated. I ignore these ones that are on like Fluxbeam and Meteora. You know, no offense to those guys, but there just isn't enough volume there. We want to go for the Radium ones. And so that's basically new pairs. Now, the other thing the other place you can look is these ads, these trending ads. These trending ads tend to already be sort of high price. For instance, like if you go to Lily, click on this Lily, if it's going to open, which it doesn't seem to be, but anyway, Holdy. Yeah, so this is already at $1 million, and it's been going up and down. So, but sometimes if they're up here, like, and you get in here, you can make a double or a triple on these bounces. But the later, the older it gets, the shallower the bounces are, and you know, it just starts, the volume kind of tapers off. Not always though, because sometimes if they get calls and promotions, then it can really rip. I mean, these things are, there's no guarantees in any of them, but anyway, I just wanted to show you the trending ads. If you click on the orange icon, you can also see all the ones. So these guys have all paid for trending on Dexscreener ads. So that's another place to look for meme coins. Whether you can get the 100x, I don't know. But this is definitely one that you want to look at. So Billy is the big one that went. Let's look at Polite Cat. Let's see what this is. 1 milli market cap. So this chart, I don't know. That is what it is, but it's a meme coin. So there's those two techniques. So what else can I tell you? Oh yeah, the other thing is you want to get early access groups. The Pump Fund Cabal is launching another coin, and it's really exciting. We're already up to 123 members, and so click the link below. Yeah, 126 members now, 45 online. Plus, you can get access to the early access NFTs for half a soul, which is crazy. 10 people are already in that, and that includes 2.5 soul giveaway to one of the holders. 3 soul goes to the marketing of the coin, and there's only 15 left. Plus, you get 100 token or 100,000 token bag, so you definitely want to get in on that. So click the links to join the Pump Fund Cabal and take a look at the early access pass. Highly recommended. There's only 15 left, and they're going to go fast. Okay, guys, so that was it. That's how to find meme coins on Dexscreener using a couple techniques. If you have any other comments or questions, leave them below and let me know what you think of the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.